Hi everyone, welcome to iOS update. Lot of iPhone users are reporting that the iPhone screen goes black when they remove the phone from the air while calling. The screen stays black and unresponsive. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off rise to wake. For that, tab on settings. Next, tab on display and brightness. Scroll down the screen to find rise to wake. Turn off rise to wake if it's on. Now solution 2. Disable reduce motion. For that, tab on settings. Next, tab on accessibility. Tab on motion. Turn off reduce motion. Solution 3. Clean the proximity sensor. If proximity sensor covered by dust and debris, the screen turns off while calling. Clean it using soft dry cloth. If it does not work, remove the tempered glass and case. Then clean the proximity sensor. Solution 4. Restart your iPhone. For that, tab on settings. Next, tab on general. Scroll down the screen to bottom and then shut down. Drag the slider to power off slider to right side, wait for few seconds and then turn it on. Solution 5. Force restart your iPhone. If you are using iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Now quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you will see the Apple logo. If you are using iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. If you are using iPhone 6s Plus and earlier models, do the following steps. Press and hold the home button and side button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 6. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. To do this, tab on Settings, tab on General, tab on Software Update. It will take some time to check if update is available. Download and install it. Solution 7. Reset all settings. When you do reset all settings, your all customized settings will not go back to default settings, but no data or model or any media will be deleted. For that, tab on Settings, next tab on General, scroll down the screen to bottom and tab on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next tab on Reset. Here pop-up shows up and tab on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Reset all settings and select Reset all settings. Tab Reset all settings. Again, it will ask you whether you confirm or not. Tab Reset all settings and confirm. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe and share this video. Take care.